Hi, this is Greg over at DIY RV and Home, Camper's Life. Today I am bringing you a product review of a propane gauge that can go to your grill, your barbecue, your trailer. It'll work on bottles from 5 pounds on up to 40 pounds. And it's a new brand out on Amazon called PatioGem. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and toss it onto the bottle and give it a try. I'm going to bring you in close real quick. We're going to take this protective cover off that it comes in, or comes with, so I can show you the dial. Alright, get you a nice little picture of that dial. You can see there's 3 rows there. So you got 3 different temperature ranges that this works for. So you have a cold temp, a warm, and a hot. So I don't know exactly the temperature ranges, as in what temps it really is accurate on. But I mean, if it's a cold day, look at your cold line. Warm day, look at your warm line. Hot day, like today, gonna get, I don't know. Maybe I'll try the hot line also. I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna try it and give it a test. So let's go ahead. We'll shut the bottle off real quick. Make sure they're both off. We'll pop this on and we'll go ahead and give it a try. Now, if it works, I'm gonna really enjoy it because it's a pain to see the, right down here, the window right there, to see if your propane's empty on that bottle, or you have to unloosen the screw, lift the bottle up, shake and see if there's anything in it. This way, mechanical, not one of them fancy digital ones, which I've seen some issues with from some other people. So, give it a try. Hey, maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. We'll find out. Here we go. Turn her on. It should be full because I did fill it up yesterday. So it is showing, well, come back around here so I can see it. So on a cold day it's showing full. A cool day it's showing half, and a hot day it's showing, I don't know, about a third. And it's not in the sun. I guess you can call this a cool day, even though it is humidity crazy here. So test is on. I'll probably bring you back a couple times in a few days and show you what I think, show where it's at. We're here in the bottomless lakes here in New Mexico. It's been a couple weeks since we started our test, and today when I came out and looked at the gauge, she was on empty. And as we saw in the pictures, the gauge was fluctuating from the different temperatures throughout the day that those pictures were taken on. But we could see a drop in the level as we went on, and I did know that we were going to be really close, if not empty, this morning. So the gauge did do what it was supposed to do by letting us know that. Also, every time we moved, I'd have to take it off so I could put my cover back on and reinstall it. So that simulated you changing bottles over time. And never once did I have a leak when installing or removing. It held up. I didn't see any damage to the product. It didn't feel flimsy, so not a bad product. Easy way to keep you on top of your propane. Make sure that when you're getting that steak just on the grill, you don't run out of propane. Or at nighttime, when it's supposed to get down to the 30s in your trailer, that you don't run out of propane overnight and freeze your butt off. Alright, down in the description below is a link to the Amazon site where you can pick this gauge up. Inexpensive way to make sure you don't run out of propane at that inappropriate time. Anyways, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, and until the next time, happy camping.